Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it. I'm back again with another video, my people. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you're all doing good and I hope you're all doing great. My people, may I get right into it. Uno need to hear this.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
There is a famous saying that goes, no good deed goes unpunished, and that sinister piece of inverted morality has now been applied to the life of Nadine Francis, a 48-year-old crab vendor who was the primary whistleblower in the crab circle debacle and who is now struggling financially because of her supposed good deed. My people, when I hear them something here, who remember Nadine? Nadine will release the video of Alice, a wiper or whatever. You can imagine this. I don't know what go wrong because I'm sure no the other day when they open, yeah, she was at her stall. Nadine was at the stall. So what really go wrong? What, she not getting no customer or what? I don't know what go on. Would I like to know what is happening? Isn't anyone supporting her? Like, guys, ain't you supporting Nadine because Nadine, she did something good. She did something good, and it shouldn't supposed to be like this. It should never be like this. The woman says she has struggled financially. Boy, my people, you see, a pure fight she get. A pure fight. Pure fight. And from a spirituality point of view, she get fight. You understand? She is getting a fight. She has to pray. And I don't think she's supposed to go back out there because as far as me see, the other vendors, they weren't happy with Nadine. Nadine exposing Alice, they weren't happy. You couldn't see it written all over them face and them did upset about it. You understand me? So, boy, it just rough. She have to go just do something else or maybe bring our crab selling somewhere else. I don't know. But Nadine, I hope the best for you because right now, like, the government shouldn't step in and try to support her financially because she really did something good because there is a tourist area. So she do something good for the country, my people. You understand? But boy, I don't know. I don't know. Because other day, I see her out there. And she looked happy. She was laughing, smiling and everything. So what go on now? My people, boy, I don't know. Really and truly, I don't know what to say, but I'm going to hope her finance turn around and everything all right with her. So now tell me what you think. Put your opinion in the comment section. Hear this. For decades, Jenny Cameron, 74, walked home from work daily through a dirt track on Johns Avenue along Waltham Park Road, St. Andrew. The mother of 6 is well known by everyone in her community and made several headlines as she fought for justice for the killing of her mentally challenged son, Michael Gale, in 1999. Boy, my people, you understand? Then so she's well known in the community, so we don't know what go down, what went wrong, or boy, it's really a sad news. You understand? And I just want to say rest in peace and my condolence goes to the family. But I just want to share this with you guys so I don't know what go on because Andrew, unless them claims say everything are going good in the country and crime drop on one bag of something. So me have to just bring this across as well for you know what exactly is happening in the country. Hear this. Members of the public are being asked to send in their written submissions regarding the job descriptions, performance standards, and codes of conduct for parliamentarians by Friday, December the 15th. A joint select committee of legislators has been mandated to consider the measures and submit a full report to Parliament with recommendations. Addressing a virtual town hall on Tuesday, Chairman of the committee, Juliet Holness, says so far only 5 submissions have been been received. She's urging citizens to make their contribution. The people, so our go on here, so oh, she just come up with all this. Yeah? And one person, we want we want you to step down. So, my viewers and subscribers, everybody we are watch, put in phone written one, put in phone written a letter and request for Juliet Holness to step down from a Madam Speaker. And that you fi do now. That you need to do. You need to send in phone written a letter, my people. Come on now. Because they say by the 15th is the deadline. My viewers and subscribers, as she we want out. We want she to step down from her post. We have a problem with it. And we want her to step down. We want Andrew Holness to resign. You understand? So how comes they make this year and nobody know about it? So how they need to do them something here publicly. Publicly they need to do it so everybody know what go on. What this? No, sir. So how she just come up with this, my people? Me tell her say. Them full of strategy, you hear? Because I like so we are going to see the letter. And I like so she are going to show with the letter them. So even if 1,000 people request her to step down, we're not going to see the letter. She only going to come tell we what in the letter. And it's not a guarantee she going to tell we the truth. Because I don't know so they lie. No say Andrew Holness and the administration them lie and them lie bad. I'm telling you, I don't have to say alleged because a lot of time I have video clip that they come out and they lie. Sometimes I show it on my platform. Some people, this now, how come she just come up with this? How come she just want the public, the citizen, to just, like, what really are going on? They have a plan. They say anytime they come out, they make it look like them do something good. Listen, my people, them skill. Mark Golding, you have to know what you do as well. You have to saddle up now and know what you do. Because I say them people, you know, them two skills, so she make it look like they're doing something good. You understand? But them, they don't have nothing good in them. They don't have nothing good in them. Because they say in a country, the first thing you have to put as a priority is the health system. Health system, children, elderly, pregnant women. You understand? And that is what, and disability too. Me not leave them out. And this is what Andrew Holness don't do. Them not do it. We need them to resign. We need Juliet Holness to step down. We need Andrew Holness to resign. We need Horace Chang to resign. We need Christopher Tufton, Nigel Clark. You know, hear me, Clark. I really Clark for true. And Everall Warmington, him definitely, him walk on this everybody. That's why they don't want to sign the code of conduct. Coop on them too. No, coop on them. Look on them when they want to sign the code of conduct. But yet them are suspend Isaac Buchanan. And them don't want to sign code of conduct. And I talk about conduct, misconduct. And look on them, look on Everall Warmington. They should have fired him long blows and skirt time. Because in disrespectful and in mouth stink. He don't have no manners and no behavior. And they allow him to do as he like and he get away with everything. But as the PNP then jump out, when you look, Daryl Vaz him want to go for legal advice and this and that. Some people, these people can't be trusted. Andrew Holness and the administration cannot be trusted. We need to get them out. We need to vote them out, my viewers and subscribers. Vote them out. And everybody we are watch my channel, we go put the written letter in. You understand? If you don't know how to do it, you try to get to a counselor in the community or in the area and tell a counselor. You understand? So they can just do the dope because we want Juliet Holness to step down because of she and Andrew Holness around this and they can make laws. Remember, you know, when we tell you in the first video, they can make laws under chapter 5 and including of making the laws is King Charles, number 1 ahead, the Governor General, and that him a Labour right, and you have a Senator, a Labour right, Andrew, a Labour right, and the House of Representatives, which is the Madam Speaker, a Labour right. So everybody a Labour right. So everything are just going in them favor. Yeah, see what me show now? The people, at time now, full time, we can't take it no more. We're tired of the stupidness, we're tired of the foolishness, because Andrew Holness him left from Washington DC or wherever I'm go and come back and talk about hate speech. And we need a crime plan. We need a crime plan. Remember, Horace Chang was asleep night and day, night and day. When Andrew Holness in the country, my people, Horace Chang is the deputy prime minister, Horace Chang, as security minister and deputy prime minister, and him Andrew Holness left around the country. I can't believe there's something here. Horace Chang was sleep night and blouse and skirt day and can't come up with a crime plan. And them the people they put in place. The people, this is ridiculous. The whole of them need to get fire. The whole of them. That's why I want Mark Golden to win. So the whole of them can go to prison. You understand? Because them know what them are do. Them know what them are do. And I don't want to get away with it because Jamaican people suffer too much under for them administration and we're tired of it. Some people want to tell me what to think. Put on an honest opinion in the comment section for me there. Hear this.
Quantum leap in terms of plastic disposal. And the questions that we've been asking you, Mr. Gordon, is how do we make that dent? And you've said some of it, and it's clear now, it's even clearer to me, that the policy needs to change. You need the legislation. You need the policy between the Prime Minister's office, the Ministry of Local Government, to have a single ministry that deals with it, so that there's no cross-pollinization, no cross-fertilization, no crosses in terms of where budgets go, how they're spent, and any kind of confusion. If you are the person, if the NWSMA is in the legal entity responsible for garbage collection and disposal in this country, then are you to deal with plastic straight? Whether it is single use, everyday use, commercial use, industrial use, it no matter which use, brother, it you to deal with it. And you only have $2.2 billion for garbage disposal. You've only gotten an additional 100 trucks. You still don't have the receptacles. You still don't have the transfers. This is not a government all of us deal with garbage. We produce it every day. So what I'm saying to you is, I don't need to have any more discussions. I'm clear in my mind as to what you need. Whether or not, I think you should get out of your narrative that you have to play the hand that you are dealt. No, you don't. You know you don't. You need to play the hand that the Jamaican people want. And what the Jamaican people want is for their garbage. When you drive down Hero Circle a while ago, you see the entrance with the liquor house, Mr. Chairman? The community is burning bottles and plastics right there, sir. Right at the entrance of Heroes Park, in front of the Ministry of Finance. Seriously?
No.
Yes, in front of the Ministry of Labour. When you're driving up, go look.
Chair. As a public servant, I submit a budget annually. All the needs of the NSWMA is packaged in that budget. Everything that member honor, every concern that member have is shared concerns. But when I talk about playing the hand that you draw, when you know the government set up, all of you members, we get to make a budget, to submit a budget. Then the budget is approved elsewhere. I have a duty to work with what I get. That's the only way it happens in Jamaica. So let me tell you what I'm doing with the budget that I get. That's what I'm coming here to do. Right. So far, within my budgetary ability, we have started separation of plastic in several communities. I will stay on message, Member Hano. We are expanding separation as we get more trucks in another 4 to 5 months. And we are hoping with the pending regulations, which are, again I say, 22 years outstanding, we will be able to strengthen what we do. And of course, we have asked for more funding for public education, because you're correct. What you saw in the budget there is a minuscule amount. That's 20 million. We have asked for, I think this time around, 375. We have asked for to do a one-year program to begin to, because
That is a budget for what? For
we have asked for that for public education. Because we have observed, Chairman, through you to
No,
the
what I'm saying is I support it. Because you see, when you have people living in clean environments and they know the garbage truck is coming, whether it is once a week, etc., it builds dignity. And I believe we need more self-respect, dignity among our population. Because if people born and grow and live in garbage all their life, I don't need to do the conclusion.
And again, another.
My viewers and subscribers, to whom me see this, the Minister of Finance, him need to assess the situation carefully and according to each constituency needs. You understand? And know how much money is supposed to give each constituency, because apparently they need more money. You understand? They need more money. It's not enough. So basically, what the man I try, I say no. The man I try, say the man say basically, what they get. You understand? Them have to work with what they get. Yes, Lisa, Anna, may I tell you always come out on top. I like the way how you address the situation. You are so correct. Sometime, them say garbage trucker come. Say for example, garbage trucker come every Wednesday. Sometime all 2 weeks time, 3 weeks time, no garbage truck now come. When I look, the whole place fly start take the place, or pure rubbish just pack up. Like them something a nastiness. You understand? Them something a nastiness. So them need to do better. They need to do better. And your wellness, you need to do better, because I peer show off say how much trucks and this and that you get. Oh no, listen, you don't have the money, so you need to spend the money. You understand me? Spend the money and look at each constituency and see which constituency have like what would I say, have more rubbish. You understand? We produce more rubbish. So you look at each area and see which area produce more rubbish, and then now when you can give the amount that is required. You see me? So me agree with Lisa Anna. Lisa Anna, she always on point. She know what she's saying. This is why she's saying like nothing not change. Basically that she has said nothing not change. So might as well change the legislation. And she is right. You understand? You know, Andrew Holness not ready for this yet. Andrew Holness is not ready for this yet. Me I tell you no, he's not ready, because majority of the time, 99% of the time, he might read off a paper. Somebody write things, give me just that read off a paper. 99% of the time. Andrew Holness make no sense, because he come and hype up, oh, we might get too much trucks and this and that. But when you look, people still have rubbish out of the gate. It's a joke thing. Like, come on, man. But my viewers and subscribers, tell me what you think about this and how you feel about it, and put on an honest opinion in the comment section. But before I go, I want to big up my good up subscribers. Them, you know so I can't leave out. So today I'm going to big up Vendetta Empress Sosh 513. Well, Vendetta, Lord God, your name not easy at all. Vendetta Empress Sosh 513. I want me get it right. Big up your nice clean self, and thanks for subscribing to Hot Off for the Press. So my people, wanna just like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Bless up on a nice clean self. I'm out.